Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by identifying the material and condition. This matters because heat and chemicals behave differently on vinyl versus paint wrap. Once you confirm vinyl, apply steady heat to one small corner until the edge lifts. You want pliable adhesive, not blistered paint. Use a plastic scraper at a 30 degrees to 45 degrees angle and peel slowly. This reduces strain on the paint. Make sure to keep the heat source moving and stop if you see bubbling. Continue stepwise across a 1-2 inch working area. Once most vinyl is off, you face the sticky residue. This is the crucial middle stage where patience prevents damage. Apply adhesive remover or 70–90% isopropyl alcohol and let it penetrate for 1 to 3 minutes so the glue loosens. Then, using a plastic pad or microfiber, rub in one direction with light pressure. Aggressive scraping risks clear coat abrasion. After removing residue, rinse the area with warm soapy water and dry. Make sure to inspect under daylight so you catch faint tacky patches. You finish by restoring the surface. Use a clay bar or fine polish to remove microscopic residue, then apply wax or a paint sealant to protect the clear coat and even out gloss. Once done, inspect edges and seam lines for lifting. If you see paint damage or lifted clear coat, stop and perform a tape adhesion test and consult a professional rather than forcing more removal. If stubborn spots remain, combine gentle heat with adhesive remover and repeat short cycles. This softens glue without prolonged exposure.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.